Welcome, this is the homework solution for week 2, Tuesday, August 13th. It says apply the following transformation for each figure. Translate it up, translate it down, translate it left, and translate it right. Okay, so here's the original image. Okay, I'm going to grab this right here to start doing the problems. I'll move all the problems down here. Okay, right. So the first thing that we want to do is translate it up. That's what it asks. Okay, we're going to translate it up. So here's the original image. Okay. For it to go up, it's going to go in this direction. Okay. Then the new image will look like this. There you go. Goes from here to up there. Then I'm going to make this red. Okay. So translate up means to slide up. Nothing changes. The size stays the same. It goes from here up there. Next, it says for it to translate it down. So let's grab the image again. But this time it says for it to translate down. Okay, it says for us to translate down. Right, translate down. That means the arrow is going to point down. So the shape is going to go down. Okay, so again, the translate down means slide down, nothing happens. The arrow indicates that it moves down. Next, it says translate left. Grab the original image. It says to translate left, so I'm going to grab that word. Translate left. Draw the arrow. So left is this direction. Okay. Move the original all the way to the left. The new one, let me fill that in. It's red. Okay. There you go. Next one, translate it right. So translate right. And let me just type that out. Okay. Translate it right. Okay. Translate it right. Okay. We start with the original image. The arrow indicates that it is going to go sliding to the right. Here's the arrow, points to the right. The new image. And we make that red. Okay. There you go. Translate up, translate down, translate left, translate right. Okay. Let's do this for 2 now. Let's move 3 down here. Then let's move 4 down here as well. Okay. Same thing, translate up. Okay, we're just gonna paste all these down here. Translate up, translate down, translate left, and translate right. Okay. Alright, grab the original image. Let's gonna paste the original image for every one of them. Okay. Translate up means the arrow is gonna go up. The new image is going to go up. So here's the original. Alright. Here's the original. Slide up. Once it's there, we can fill it in now. Okay. There you go. Moves up. Translate down. So draw the arrow going down. Okay. Here's the image. Goes down. You see, nothing happens. Fill that in. Translate it left. Here's the arrow. Here's the new image. goes from here all the way to left. Then we fill that in, red. Translate right, left to right, to the right, fill that in. There you go. Okay, up, down, left, right. Let's do that again. Okay, we're gonna do it down here. Move this a little bit down more so we can have more room to work. Okay. Right. Here's the original. Just gonna paste all the originals first. Alright. So translate up. Where's the arrow? The arrow indicates it's gonna go up. So the original is gonna go from here, sliding up. Okay. Goes down, arrow down. Here's the original, slides down. Right, sorry, I have to fill it in. Remember, once it goes up, we fill it in. When it goes down, we fill it in. It indicates which one is the pre-image and which one is the image. Left, here's the arrow, that's left. Grab the image, starts here, slides to the left. Once we're there, we can fill it in to indicate that is the image. Yellow is the pre-image, red is the image. Okay, this is going to the right, so we indicate with the arrow, it's going to go right. Okay, starts here, slides to the right. Starts here, slides to the right. There you go. Let's do that again. Alright, here's our... I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. It's too big. I'm just going to make the image smaller, okay? Alright, so this one we're going to translate up. Okay, we're going to translate this one down. This is going to go to left. This is going to go to the right. Okay, so where's the arrow? The arrow indicates it's going to go up. Grab the image, move it up. Once it's moved, once it undergoes a transformation, make it red. Here's the image. It goes down, translates down. Grab the object, goes down. Okay, translate it left. Here's the arrow, goes left. Okay, make sure you fill it in red. So it goes down, slides down, becomes red, slides left, becomes red. Okay, the red indicates that this is the image. Last one, we have this object. It's going to go to the right. Okay, then it's going to be filled in. Good, with red. There you go. So this is how this one looks like. That's it undergoing all 4 transformations. This is number 3. That's how this one looks like as it undergoes the transformation. This is how the second one looks like once it undergoes the translation. And this is how number 1 looks like as it undergoes the translations. Okay.